It's time for another hot dish from Happy, Healthy, Wise.
With Daddy.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to How to Make Your Wife Happy and Healthy. Chef Bear here with a wonderful dish that is very easy to make. In fact, you might call it a pizza cake. Great, 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 great. Plop. Shake, 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 shake. Pound, 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 pound. Stir, 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 stir. Stir, 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 stir. Whoop. Plop. Stir, 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 stir. Pinch. Pinch. Plop. Plop. Stir, 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 stir. Stir, stir, stir. Ta-da! Beep, beep. Plop. Sizzle, 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 sizzle. Flip, sizzle, 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 sizzle. Pound, 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 pound. Pour, 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 pour. Scrape, 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 scrape. Stir, 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 stir. Tap, tap, tap. Pour, pour. Scrape, scrape, scrape. Pour. Stir, 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 mix, 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 mix. Stir, 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 stir. Pour, 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 pour drop, 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 drop. Stir, stir. Plop. Spread, 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 spread. Plop. 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 Spread, spread. Spread, spread. Spread, 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 spread. Spread, spread, spread. Plop, 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 plop. Spread, 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 spread. Spread, spread, spread. 2 layers later. Ah, the final layer. Plop, 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 plop. Spread, 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 spread. Shake, 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 shake. More shake, 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 shake. Great, 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 great. Rip, spray. Crinkle, 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 crinkle. Slide, slide. Crinkle, 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 crinkle. Slide. Close. Beep, beep, boop, beep. Bidding, 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 bidding. Open. Slide, clap. Beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep. Bedding, bedding, bedding. Bedding, bedding, bedding. Beep.
It's a perfect blend of noodles, cheese, and meat sauce. It's good lasagna. Better than the Olive Garden one. I don't like the Olive Garden one. I prefer this one.
This is very much like a cheesy spaghetti. It is how like the tomato sauce really complements the meat, which really works with the cheese well, and the noodles like here, I like the noodles with spaghetti. I thought chicken parmesan. If you had grinded the chicken parmesan and put it in spaghetti and ate it, it's exactly what this tastes like. And it's just like the Pacey Manning commercial.
Happy Healthy Wife Chef Barry here, reminding you to click on that like button or leave a comment down below. It helps out a lot. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of all my new videos that come out on Mondays. Thanks for watching. Have a happy and healthy day.